Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Joe token on your Metamask. Once you've logged on to coinmarketcap.com, you simply scroll down till you find the contract address for the Joe, and it's on the Avalanche C chain. You simply copy this, and once that's done, simply minimize and open up your Metamask. So with Metamask opened up, simply click on where we have Smart Chain and simply scroll down and select the Avalanche main network. And once you selected the Avalanche main network, you simply click on Import Token, click on Custom Token, paste the token address for the Joe, and its token symbol and decimal will then be displayed. Simply click on Import. And once the Joe token is shown, you could simply buy the Joe token using your swap, but you would need some Avalanche to do that. That's the Avax. So in order to get yourself some Avax, all you need to do is open up a centralized exchange known as Binance, where you can simply buy and sell cryptocurrency. So once you've been able to click on this deposit icon right here, all you need to do is select P2P trading, deposit your local currency, or buy with your MasterCard. So you could make use of your MasterCard or your Visa card and buy cryptocurrency tokens here. You could as well use your deposits that you'd make fiat deposits into some specific bank accounts and get the token as well. You could also do P2P trading, which is just basically transferring to a merchant and getting the token in exchange. So once you've been able to deposit any token here, you can simply click on this convert. And now we can convert from any token to the Avalanche. So Avax. So you can simply put in any amount and click on convert. So let's go with 50 or 500. That's 3.094 Avax. So guys, once you've been able to get yourself some Avax, you could send it there. You could as well deposit and simply get yourself the Joe, because it does exist on the Binance chain. Joe, click on this Joe. So 11 Tron is going to be giving us 2.65 of the Joe. And none of this can be done without having an account on Binance. So by simply using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to win $100 worth of trading fee rebates just by using our link alone. So guys, once you've converted, head over to the wallet section, scroll over to spots, simply scroll to spot, click on withdrawal and search for the Joe. So search for Joe and send via crypto network. Make sure the network is the Avax C chain. You could also search for the Avax itself. Click on Avax, send via crypto, select the Avalanche network or the Avax C chain too. So once you're able to get your Avax on your Metamask, open up Metamask. Once it's opened, your Avax would be deposited here directly. And all you need to do is head over to the browser section and simply put in this site. The link would be in the description of the video. So simply paste this here and enter. Make sure you're on the Avalanche network. Click on this icon here, scroll down and click on Avalanche mainnet. Once here, simply click on this trade, and now we can swap some of our Avax for a good amount of the Joe. So click on Joe, and let's say 3.62 or 52 Avax is giving us 137 of the Joe. All you need to do is connect your wallet, select Metamask, click on connect, and that's all. That's all you need to do. And now the Avax would then be swapped. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can buy Joe on Metamask, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.